morning, guys.
Good morning.
June the 2nd, AT day 117. And we just left Eckville shelter. It's a cool shelter. It's actually a house. And behind the house is an old garage that had 6 bunks in it. And you had a water spigot and a little outlet with a power strip there and or surge protector, and you could charge your phones. And there was a solar shower, but that didn't mean anything because there was no hot water. Still took showers though, just a little brisk. We're keeping our miles low right now because we have a reservation at a B&B for June 3rd, which is tomorrow, and it's 30 miles away, so there's no sense in trying to do big miles because we still have to be at the same location at a certain time, because I've ordered new trekking poles. I broke the tip off of one of my trekking poles about 500 miles back, and slowly but surely it's gone from this big to this big. I'm wearing it down to a nub, and it's time for some new poles. And I found them on sale at REI, so I went ahead and ordered a pair. Anyway, we need to stop there and pick up that package, and to pick up the package we had to get a room, so we'll be staying there tomorrow night. So 17.4 mile day today to a shelter, and we'll be done. Should get there probably around 3 o'clock or so. So let's hike. See you.
older, you know, like old heads. I call them old heads. And I said, he's like, all right, I'm ready to take everybody up to Springer Mountain. And I was like, I said, no. I said, I want to hike the approach trail.
Well, you guys are doing cool technology stuff.
Yeah. I started March 27th and Springer Mountain.
Okay.
And I actually did the approach trail 1.5 times.
1.5
Yes,
times?
because
There's a story.
I stayed at the...
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. And there's sodas in here. So. Dr. Pepper, Mountain Dew, orange vanilla.
All right, we got Disciple back here hiking with us. And we just got some killer trail magic from Fresh Start. Man, that was awesome. Load up on sugar right before we hit Knife's Edge. Now we're gonna step up here and kill this thing. So let's hike. Woo! 17.4 mile day today. We stopped at Baked Oven Knob Shelter, and some interesting stuff went on today. So we left Eckville Shelter probably about 6:30 this morning and started this massive climb up. And I really wish I could get pictures, but we stopped at some of these viewpoints and shot some drone footage, and didn't really stop at the shelter, and then passed through here, and there's a cool place here, Thunderhead Lodge. We kind of stopped there and we filled up our water bottles with a spigot in the back, and then we went up the hill here to where's Knife's Edge at? Where are you at? Right there, Knife's Edge. We crossed that and flew Cyclops a little bit there, and all through here is just crazy rocky, and then we got a little 2-lane road again, and then we got to Baked Oven Road, and lots of trash and lots of graffiti around here, just because people can drive up there and whatever. Anyway, we're all done, and should be an easy day tomorrow as long as we stay dry. Looking like it's gonna rain, and we'll go to a B&B tomorrow.